something that I am very particular about. Hence, when my international subscribers reached out to me to assist them in finding an apartment, I didn't think it twice. Let me take you on a journey on my apartment hunting series for my subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Valin Ose again, and yes, this is the second apartment tour that I'm having for Goodness and Emmanuel on this channel. So if you are not aware, I am currently apartment hunting for other aspiring international students who are in Nigeria as we speak, and they hope to come here late December or early January. So this is a studio apartment and it's very close to school, and I just hope that you will like this apartment after we're done touring. So let's come in, guys. So when you walk in, this is what you see. This is a space, and to be honest, for a studio apartment, this is luxury. This is luxury. I think the thing with this apartment is, you know, it has this kind of not modern vibe. It looks not modern, but very spacious and beautiful. I like the color of the painting, and I like that this is here. So this is your closet area. So you have a closet area in the living room, and it's actually very spacious as well. Wow, this is spacious. So you have this closet here, and you have something for your plants, your flower, anything that you want to add here. This could be for your decoration. So this is also very cool. So let's get here. I think there is a washer and dryer in this unit, which is very strange. This is very strange because I don't have a washer and dryer, guys. So this is your washer, and oh, the light is off, but please, oh, okay. Yes, I forgot. Just light here. So this is your washer and your dryer. Guys, you're spending less for more. You're spending less for more. So this is so cool. This is so cool. And then this is your bathroom area. So come with me, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I like this. I like this, I like this, I like this. So you have your bathtub here, and you have your shower there. You have this here, you have your mirror too. It's not as big as the first apartment we saw. In case you have not seen that video, please go watch that video. But this is like for your towel, your towel as well. And then you have your faucet, for washing and all. And then there's a cabinet, which is good. This is the toilet area, so this is fine. This is the same size as my studio apartment, but I don't have a washer and dryer, so which is why this is better than mine. 10 times better. So the next thing that we are going to be checking is your bedroom, I think, or the kitchen or something.
Yes, the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah.
Ignore me, guys. Ignore me. This is a studio apartment. So this is the kitchen area. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm going to start off with the stove. My stove is not this big, so I feel very cheated. Oh, why are you guys cheating me now? Okay, I was desperate when I was getting my apartment. You guys have seen my apartment tour, so I was desperate. I just needed anything, but that is also, it suits what I need right now. But this is the stove. It's actually very big, massive. You have your cooker here, and you can do whatever you want to do, bake and all of that. You also have like some cabinet here. Guys, this is a studio, and for a student, you can actually have all of your items here, and it will serve the purpose. Then you have your faucet, everything here, and then you have space for other items here. You also have additional cabinets, which is cool because I was already worried, but the additional cabinets definitely help. And the other thing that I am jealous about right now is the fact that you also have this massive refrigerator, which in my opinion, wow, this is for a 2-bedroom. This is not for a studio apartment where you have this. So Wow. So everything that you need, if you go grocery shopping, you know that you have storage space for them. So you go grocery shopping just once and you're good to go. Okay. So this apartment is very, very nice. So because it's a studio apartment, this will also serve as your living room, as your bedroom, as everything. So you can actually have your bed here and have that's your closet area. You can have your, television here. You can do I'm already thinking about the things I'll, do to design this whole space. And the thing that I do love also is that it has high ceiling. So the high ceiling is very, very important. And then it's wooden floor, so this is not carpet or anything, so it's also very cool. See, it doesn't make so much noise, you're just good, and you're fine. It has this is an AC outlet, right? Mm-hmm. This is the same thing I have in my apartment. It doesn't have the central heater, I should let you know. Mm-hmm. Mine doesn't have the central heater as well, and I was able to leave that. I've been there actually over 2019. Yeah, that's when I moved in. So it has served me well. If you do need additional heater or anything, you can get yourself a personal heater. Before I moved into my studio apartment, I was living in a 2-bedroom apartment and we had a central heater, but I still got a personal heater. So everybody needs a personal heater as a student, so that's important. So this is not like, it doesn't change anything. And then it also has some nice views here. If you can see, there's a nice view behind, the beautiful building behind you, and that's okay. So that's it for this studio apartment. I hope you guys like this apartment because I do have. And now guys, we're going to be talking about the most important part of this tour, which is again the cost, guys. So I'm going to be asking Kurt the price points and what is included in the rent. So let's ask Mr. Kurt. How much is this apartment?
So this is going to be $650 per month. So.
$650, guys. $650 monthly. Does it come with anything?
It does not. No.
It doesn't include your utilities, so you need to understand that you'll be paying for your water, your light, your sewage, right?
Yes, water, light, sewage.
Yes, separately. Internet separately. But one thing that you must understand is that this studio apartment comes with washer and dryer. So please, if you ask me, grab your copy right now. So guys, this is the end of this apartment tour. I hope you like this studio apartment. I'm just going to make another video to go around the apartment so you see it more, and at the end of the day I hope that you decide to choose which one you definitely would go for. So we have how many more apartments to go?
We have another property that we're going to look at, a 2-bedroom. It's going to be at the Melrose Place. Yeah.
Alright, so we will do that apartment tour and that will be it for today. I hope you're actually deciding which of them you want right now. But if you don't find the one that you do like, I'll add the links to or the numbers for H2 apartments so you can call them and request for another virtual tour or anything. But this is the best you can get because I am here and I'm seeing everything, and I can tell you for a fact that this is nice. And given what it's coming with, the washer and dryer, the space, the high ceiling, it's good for a student. So please, even if you're not a student, it's good for a young adult that's trying to start off life. So that'll be all for today. So I'll see you guys. Bye guys. I feel cheated, guys. I feel cheated, really. And then this is your mailing unit. So if you are going to get any mail, this is where you will have them, for you. They'll be dropped here for you. And then this is the other side. So, so this is it. And this is the entrance to the building.
Oh.